I think after my family adopted our golden retriever, we had for the past 4 years, really made me have a inspiration or a passion to help animals more.
The very best part has just been the collaboration between South Piedmont and Presley Animal Hospital. It has been a really good segue of just working together. We have had, I feel, just fantastic communication with each other.
Honestly, just coming in the morning and when we do our reviews and them answering the questions and enjoying answering them, that's a success to us, because then you know that they're soaking in what we're teaching them and enjoying it too.